Waking up to a swollen face, water retention, or morning puffiness is a common concern in men and women. Draining your lymph nodes correctly in the morning will not only give you a tighter face but will also give you the right tone to set for the day. Let's start by depuffing a few acupressure points on our face. Let's take our index finger and our middle finger, place them on the sides of our nose. Give a firm press and then start with a clockwise and anti-clockwise depuffing nose massage like this. Once we've depuffed our nose, let's go mid-cheek. Right where our cheekbone is, the center of that point, massage that in the same clockwise and anti-clockwise fashion. Take all that fluid all the way onto our earlobe point, the start of our ear, and give a circular massage clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is also a temple and might pain mildly. Once you've done this, take all that fluid all the way down till your neck, your collarbone, because drainage always happens downward from your neck to your collarbone like this, and wriggle. Let's start with overall face tapping. Take all your fingers, firm taps onto your forehead, firm taps under the eye, on the circles of your eye, on your cheeks, jaw, and neck. Once you've tapped, I want you to take your hands, take your thumbs and do opposite swipes across your forehead 20 times. And relax. When you relax, you will see or feel a downward drain. That is your lymphatic fluid that is coming down, depuffing your face. Last but not the least, my Vibhuti drain, which is a very important under eye and upper lid drain, because 90% of the puffiness is seen here. Drainage is needed but felt here. Take your thumbs, press the inner corner of your eye, pump a few times the tear duct point. Once you've pumped 3 to 6 times, swipe, lift. We want to lift because we don't want droopy eyelids. And then I want you to initiate a drain. You will do the same. Press the acupressure point above the inner corner of your eye. Firmly take all that lymphatic fluid. See the motion or the movement of my thumb. Lift your eyes and drain. Doing this as a signature technique of my signature 1-minute Vibhuti massage every day will depuff your face, remove the water retention, and also ensure that you have a tighter, firmer looking face. Happy pampering!